Good morning guys! Eto na naman tayo. Welcome sa Simpleng Buhay Canada Vlog by Roslyn.
Hi Liam, it's foggy today.
Okay, you do it, Liam? What is the weather today, Liam?
It's mga foggy.
It's mga foggy. Guys, ito, kailangan careful magdadrive. Hindi na lang maano siya. Daytime magpagi yan. Grabe, pagi siya. Ayun nga guys, ulitin ko po ulit yung mga baguhan na content creator po dyan. Totoo yung mga ibang tutorial na sinasabi na sa mga videos nila or pictures, magko-comment po kayo doon. Yung sinasabi nila mag-iwan ka ng bakas. Yun, mag-aano ka, magko-comment ka, ganyan, engage, at tinatawag din nilang engagement yun. Pag nag-message ka or nag-leave ng comment kasi, makikita nila yung name mo doon. Tapos, especially pag verified ka, so ipapalo ka nila. So, ipapalo mo rin sila kung mga ano doon, makikita mo mga content creator guys. Tapos doon, nasubukan ko yun kasi in a week, nagkaroon ako ng 100 followers. Pero, syempre, kailangan, rin, mapanood din nila yung mga video mo or yung mga kung anong content, mo, na ginawa mo sa Facebook. So, yun lang ang maipapayo ko sa mga nagsisimulang katulad ko. Yan. Ito nga, pupunta na naman tayo, same location po ng soccer ni Zayden. It was a good game yesterday. Ahead sila ng 1 level, and then ang score nila is 6-6, and then yung other opponent is 7.
They lost.
So, yeah, they're lost, but the important...
They're gonna win today.
Yeah, that's the spirit of sportsmanship.
If the parents are standing up, I'm gonna... Oh, just saying stop screaming.
Okay, no screaming, Zayden. It's okay. I won't scream because my throat is hurt.
You can cheer, but not loud.
How?
Matt, do you know yesterday Joshua he was taking a free kick, but the parents stand up and they were being nosy. And he couldn't score.
The other parents?
Yeah, the parents, they were going to the bench.
Yeah, we have to stay at the bench. We're not allowed to go to the
They were
coach area.
disturbing them. Joshua.
Oh. Ayun, any message or anything you can say
My butt itchy.
in our vlog?
My butt's itchy.
But only good one though. Ate pulis na dahil ini pa. Ayun guys, pagi pa rin. Ito na yan. Dahan-dahan ko pa.
He's sleeping.
Ang hirap mahuli dito guys. Pag nahuli ka, overspeeding, depende sa speeding mo. Ang maximum 100. So kailangan 100 lang. Ako very careful ako sa mga maximum driving limit na yan. Tapos lalo na pag na hitting the red light ka ay 400 or 105. Hitting the red light. Hitting nga. Beating the red light pala. Oh, baka pang mukhang pulis to pa. Oh, meron siyang sa taas. Antena. Radyo ng antena. Ayan guys. Country Hills na po tayo. Ayan. Pagi-pagi. Parang nasa Baguio lang tayo. Sige guys, mamaya po ulit.
Did you just
Bye! I didn't dugong. Say hi. Hi, Zayden. I like your hair. Show me your hairstyle. Whoa, what you call that? NBA or what?
No, this one.
Ay! That is Poknat. The other one, I like the other one on the side. There. Okay, bye guys. Thank you po.